Gulf muhly grass is a native plant that's really showy in the fall and winter months. Let's take a look at why I love these plants. Today's Southern Gardening is at Truck Crop's branch station in Crystal Springs, where they may have the best looking Gulf muhly grass I have ever seen. The botanical name of Gulf muhly grass is Muhlenbergia capilaris. This grass is so good it was chosen as a Mississippi Medallion native plant winner in 2010. In the fall, this native grass produces billowy masses called inflorescences, which resemble pink clouds in the landscape. There's also a white selection called white cloud, and it is. The sun rising backlights the inflorescences and they seem to glow in the rich morning light. Select a landscape site that receives at least 6 hours of full sun during the day. Spacing needs to be considered as these plants need their individual space. Each plant can grow up to 4 feet wide, so plant on 3-foot centers. This will achieve that fill-in mass look. Like all ornamental grasses, there is really only one maintenance chore that can't be neglected. In late winter, cut the grass clumps back to 6 inches. This will clear the way for the new foliage and result in a nicely formed clump. Don't be tempted to cut back any earlier because you remove the dry inflorescence that creates movement with the wind and habitat for wildlife. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.